Hello collectors, welcome to my channel today. And in front of you I have you guys you can see I have bought some aircraft models. Like to be honest, this is like my first ever purchase for aeroplane models. Not really a big fan of this, but the reason why I bought is because I did see some models which represents my country, Malaysia, and I do see some models which are I've never seen in the market before, and this came in really pretty cheap. So, and they were having some clearance, so I thought, hey, why not, let me just get and see what's the quality like. And so thought, let's see. So I bought some and I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pieces, 8 boxes, really sorry about that, 8 boxes, and I think this is a sort of free gift. So let's go and see what I have, and let's see what are the qualities of this product. Alright, so I got a keychain here. Okay, it's another model of an aeroplane. Just a model keychain. It's quite a bit heavy, so I'm thinking this is metal. I'm gonna put that aside. And this is a stand. So I think this is a stand for this. I'm positioning my camera sideways because the thing is too big and it's not capturing in the in my video frame. So here's the shop. If you guys want to look at it, just go and scan the code, or just go to the website and take a look. If you're interested in some aircraft models, they do have a lot of aircraft brands from every country. All right, so that's the gift which we just opened. Let's open one by one. So I do feel that some of these boxes are pretty light. Like this one is really light. I'm not sure if there's anything inside. Those are heavy. I must I know there are things inside. So let's just open the light ones first to see if okay, it's empty because probably they just kept it to fill the space so that the models don't move around. Okay, and let's see, this is supposed to be empty, but I'm not sure why it's empty again. So yeah, now let's open this. So this is written as M777. I did buy this. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so this is the Malaysian Airlines 777. Actually it's heavy. Okay, the library, the scale, the printing, it's good. It's pretty cheap. I've compared certain places, and this thing is I mean, it's worth the money. It's value for money. Okay, this is the stand. All right. Okay, check this out. So when I look at the library, the decals, as we call these things, there's no color fading. It's all accurately detailed. Thing, it's totally worth my money, man. I mean, like, it's some models are really expensive, because I understand those are premiums and those are bigger in scale, but this, for the money and the quality, is good. Alright, so let's go. Next is 350. So I believe this is the latest Airbus model. I wouldn't say really latest, because the models came out sometime. And okay, let's first the stand. Okay, I'm just gonna throw the empty box away. And this, check it out, guys. So okay, this is the latest A350. Not bad, not bad. Okay, they have the new Malaysian Airlines livery. The quality is good. I'm happy with the quality, and I'm not sure if this has 1 or 2 engines for this model, but it's okay. You know, I just want to look at the colors. The design is good. So yeah, another satisfied product. The next is it's written as MW. I wonder what that is. Oh, okay. All right. Now I know what that is. Okay. The stands and oops. So I guess I gotta put this turboprop fans here. I guess, or the prop fans here. Okay. So this is mast wings. All right. So those of you who don't know, mast wings is another it's part or subsidiary or a sister company of Malaysian Airlines, and they provide flight to the rural areas in Malaysia, mostly in Sabah, Sarawak. Okay, let me check the quality of the reason why I bought this in the first place is to get this mast wings. Okay, because I've never seen mast wings anywhere. Like I only see it in the major flags, but not the sub, like the sub brands. Never really seen one, but okay. So looking at the livery, I'm not sure if this is way too down or it should be up. Kind of unsure on that. I think this should be further up here, so there's a little disappointment there. Even this is kind of mixing up with the door. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. The flag's alright. Yeah, is it? Okay, I'm not sure because but this thing I'm not sure, guys. If you know about it, I gotta check again. Is this supposed to be this low or supposed to be higher up? Okay, so overall it's okay, it's good. Okay, it's the ATR, I believe. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of planes, so this one is another mast wings. This one is, I believe, is the turboprop. Oh no, it's the same. Did I order 2 identical planes from the same? Okay, so comparing side by side, actually, if you guys can see, let me put it back this way. Alright, the livery is the same like that, so I believe it all comes the same way. But wait a minute, why did I get 2 same planes? Okay, alright, it's okay. Look at that later. This is a stand. Because I ordered one with a turboprop, the small plane. I think they gave me the wrong one, so anyways, it's okay, I'll just take it. This is I think this is the first ever livery from Malaysian Airlines, the red and white. This is a 747, I believe. And I believe most of the 747s are decommissioned now. They're no more in service except for a few. So I got this because this is how, I think it's the first color for the Malaysian Airlines. Then it's followed by this. I think this, or there's another one with a grey bottom. So there is grey here, guys. And then we have the new one, which is the Merdeka. I believe this is the latest one we have right now. And let's see what's in our last box. So in our last box, alright, so you stand, I have the A380. So this livery is also from Malaysian Airlines, but it is mostly for the A380. I've never seen this livery on any other planes. This is especially for the A380, and quite happy with the products. Okay, I'm really happy. I'm not complaining. Really good. It's really value for money. Okay, if you want to buy this, definitely check out the earlier part I shared from where I got this from. There are also other scales, larger scales, and different flights from different countries, so you can have a look there. Well guys, so that's all for the video today. I'm still waiting for some of my cards to come. Some are stuck in custom checkings, immigration, shipping delay due to the current, I believe it's delayed everywhere. So that's the worst part of buying things online, especially out of your country. So I've already uploaded some shorts. Do check it out. Share my channel to your collector friends, families who share the same passion as us. Still on the road to 1K. Remember guys, giveaway is still on. Every Monday I'll give away Pokemon TCG card codes, and if I reach my 1000 subscribers goal, definitely there are bigger giveaways to be given away. So till I see you again in my next video, please like, please subscribe, stay safe, and peace guys.